Hi, welcome to AwkwardHamster. Today we'll be taking a look at this bird feeder camera. It's 1080p. Show some highlights on the box here before I open it up. It says it's got AI detection to try to detect the more popular birds for us. It's a pretty hefty manual here. I'm not going to show all the pages, but I'll just try to breeze past it. I'm just breezing past the assembly instructions. The installation instructions too. Cleaning instructions. Yeah, I should save that. You're setting up with the app. There's a QR code to install the app. Some accessories that's in the box. I think this kind of feeder is for like a hummingbird. There's just a lot of accessories here. Wow, it actually came with this. I saw it in the manual, but it came with a solar charger. It's awesome. Put that to the side first. Strap, cables, mounting screws. This, I believe, is the roof. More mounting tools. Got this piece here. Put that with the lid. Seeds go in there. Camera. Hivisuals. Just double check the port back here. USB-C port. Right. Let me download the app and try to set this up. So here's the quick start guide for the solar charger. I took a quick look at it before, and the output for the solar charger, USB Type-C. So I think I can besides using this solar charger with this camera, I think I can also use this with other USB Type-C devices. On the back, I plugged the USB-C cable into the camera unit. And the other end of USB-C cable is this solar panel. I've downloaded the Vehicle Home app. Let's set this up. Sign up for a new account. Alright, let me first create my account. I'll be back. Sure, let it allow Bluetooth, allow network. Plug it in device. It's plugged in. I didn't hear any sound. The light is on. The LED light. It's like a half green, half red. Let me just press the reset button for now. Yes, I heard the sound. Okay, it's asking me to join.
Connection succeeded.
Even though it said connection succeeded, it's still taking its sweet time. Okay, let me give it some name for now. Let's see, backyard. Alright, so the Wi-Fi strength for my backyard is medium. I'm gonna tell it that I use my solar panel. One month free. Say no thanks for now. So continue with free plan. There is a new firmware available. Alright, let me just update that first. While the firmware is updating, I'll just try to assemble this and put the hat on. This just snaps on, it's easy. This one, I placed it in there. I took the screw that was inside this bag. There's a second one, this screw right here. And just screw it on right here. Only because I don't really have any trees in my backyard. Bushes, but not trees. And the birds usually hang around this tree here. And as I was looking in the bag, it also came with these straps. I got it strapped down securely. And if I ever need to add more bird food, just lift this little tab up and pour the seeds in this cavity. So it looks like the device update has finished. I'm gonna head into the settings here. Motion detection. What? Still updating. All right. Let's see if we're gonna look at anything else. Video settings. Recording resolution. Set to HD. I didn't place an SD card in there yet. I'm not gonna rotate any images. Light sensitivity. Alarm settings. All right. I don't need the alarm turned on for now. Notification. No. Turn that off for now. Firmware still updating. I think everything's set up now. Motion detection, I'm gonna turn that off for now, since I turned off the notification. Oh, there's a sleep schedule. No, I'm not gonna have sleep schedule. 1 minute is the lowest cooldown time for recordings. Cloud recording up to 10 seconds. SD recording. There's only one choice. And it's starting to rain by me now. Luckily, I got a little hat here. SD cooldown. Alright, let's go to this device. Hello. Let me just maximize it. Looks like there's a little bit of barrel distortion here. It's not bad, but the cutter quality is pretty good. See, like the wagon, the cutter matches. And just start moving left, right. It's a fraction of a second delay, but then again, it did report that my Wi-Fi strength at this spot was better than the previous spot. Okay. Now all I need are bird seeds. We got these wild bird seeds. Went to the pet store, and there's actually a difference between feeding wild birds and domestic birds. It was not expensive. It's like $7 plus tax. All right, let's feed it. Or let's add it to our feeder.
Do you open it here?
No, just pour it in there.
Huh.
Look at both sides. Watch, lift it up again. Right. So if you scrunch it down too much, it blocks it. So you got to tilt it like halfway. Like that.
Uh-oh.
It's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
But there's like barely any here.
No, that's fine. Close it up. So the birds will, hopefully they'll come here and start pecking at this.
Like the thing.
Or here, then let's spread it out some more.
Just trying to do it.
All right, no, it's fine. It's ready there, Catherine.
I know, but I got more.
No, not too much, okay?
I love birdseed. I love these little ones. What's the white stuff on them?
I'm trying to think if I should see if I can point the camera downward more. Yes, like that.
Oh, you sit like doggy. Ah, what's these? Okay, you're asking for it. It's scratch time, bird.
Oh, there we are.
It's scratch time. Good doggy. I think you should get like a tiny bowl of water because they're gonna get thirsty.
Yeah, well then the sun will cause it to evaporate.
Put it under shade.
And still evaporate. All right, let's work with this. Oh, another thing I want to show is, since I've set this up, the battery is now 100% full. It's all from that solar charger. I'm in the office right now. Decided to check on the bird cam. It took about almost 2 days for the birds to warm up to this feeder. At first, they just hang around it. I guess they were just scared, unsure what it is. And now, I can watch them feed in my backyard. This is very neat. There's audio too. And overnight, or very early in the morning, I was checking recordings and I saw that there were chipmunks. We head to the library. Just play like this, for example. That's a chipmunk that lives in my backyard. So there is cloud recording. Currently this is just playing off the cloud. I did put in an SD card in here too. The SD card in here is 64 gigs. Now, to just zoom in, press this plus button here. Let's go and go to, let's see, like this for example. So this bird is a little bit of a bully. When the smaller birds come out, this bird will just start pecking at them, trying to shoo them away. Let me get back. Nothing's there feeding right now, but if I wanted, I can record the video and take a snapshot. I keep this on just so I can hear the animals. If I want to communicate with the animals, I'll just press and hold this microphone button. When the subject, the person, is close enough to the camera, the audio is fairly loud. But if I was in a breezeway over here, I can barely hear the audio coming out of the speaker here. I'll need to be essentially where this wagon is. I like this a lot. My daughter has been asking for a bird feeder. I wanted one, but I didn't want to stick the bird feeder to the window, so I figured get the one with the camera instead. And it's great that this came with a solar panel, because, or else I would have had to set this up closer to my home. If I had hummingbirds, I'll put in the little sweet feeder that came with it, but I don't really have hummingbirds in my area. So all these birds, chipmunks, they all love the seeds. I'll place a link to this in the description below. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching Awkward Hamster. Bye.